something that a lot of lash courses, lash certifications, they do not tell you this. Barbicide. Okay, inside your tweezers, they need to be going in an airtight tube. First things first, I'm going to teach you how to read a lash tray. Okay? So the main 3 things that are on your lash tray that you need to know about, or my suggestion for new lash artists, my name is Shawnee. I am the owner of the Lash Specialist page. I just wanted to show you guys how to wash off your makeup after a long night with lash extensions. I know a lot of people may know, but lash extensions are waterproof. I'm going to go through some of the products that you can use, okay, and just give you a cute little impromptu tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that you want to use is, well, one of the things you could use that I recommend is molecular cellular water. It has no oil or fragrances on it. As you can see, this is one of my favorite products. This is not an ad. I'm not getting paid for it. As a lash artist, this is really good and safe when you're getting off makeup. Now, after you use this, you do need to wash your lashes. Don't just use this to wash your lashes and think that your lash line is clean. So I'm going to show you how to use this. You just take a pad. You put some on the pad. And then you just wipe around your lash line. Okay? And then you wash your face like normal. Me personally, I use CeraVe for my face. And then after that, to wash your lashes, hold on. There we go. I just use my lash bath. You can use an old eyeshadow brush that's clean. You want to make sure that it's clean, okay? You wet it. Swirl it. And then don't be afraid to get your lash extensions wet, okay? If you're getting off makeup, you really want to get in there. Okay? Be gentle, but get in there, okay? Don't be afraid to get up under here, because cleaning your lash extensions make them help them to last longer and they look better. So when you remove oil and makeup and dirt off of your lash extensions, you're actually taking care of your investment of lashes, okay? There's a reason why the girls get lash extensions instead of wearing strips, okay? The girls that get it, okay? Lashes hit 24/7. And then you're just going to pat dry. You're going to pat your extensions dry. Okay? Don't be rough. They're durable, but they're still fragile. Okay? They're still lashes. So just pat dry. And this is the beautiful thing with extensions, right? Like, you can go on vacation. You don't have to worry about bringing a million lash sets and it taking up you know, space in your luggage. You don't have to worry about swimming and or being on a boat or something and your lashes coming off or peeling up or looking crazy. They're always like Instagram ready. They're always TikTok ready. You don't have to do much, okay? Except wash them. That's it. Okay, so just get into the lash line. And then don't let me get on how convenient they are for work meetings, okay? Just every day, like, you just look ready. And this, like, literally saves me so much time in the morning. Like, if I have an early morning, and you just pat dry again. Just pat dry. If I have an early morning Zoom call, Okay, all I have to do is wash my face, brush my teeth, put on some lip gloss, and I'm good to go. Okay, and after this, just grab your spoolie and just kind of brush them out. And they're going to look, I mean, they're wet, so they look a little stuck together, but they're going to fan out and they're going to fluff out and be like gorgeous. They're going to be gorgeous, okay? And you could really just let them air dry, but for the sake of this video, I have my fan, my lash fan. Now, you do not have to do this. This is extra. I just want to show you guys how beautiful they look when they fluff out. And you're just, you know, get them situated, girl. The great thing about lashes is that they, you once you get lashes, you're going to be in the mirror, like, period. And you're going to love being in the mirror. But again, this stuff is extra. Like, I could really just go on about my day. I'm about to do laundry after this. But I just wanted to show you guys how I take off my makeup with lash extensions. Okay, any eye makeup, how I wash them. Again, this stuff is extra. I just want to show you how beautiful. You see they're starting to fluff out. You see how pretty they're starting to fluff out? And boom. I'm walking around the house, bonnet on, cute. And let me put the girls on to something else, okay? Laneige, they sell this at, this is not a paid sponsorship or anything. But as, first of all, they sell this at Sephora, but as a woman that has forever had big lips, okay, I've tried every product there is, and when I tell you that this Laneige lip mask hit different, especially since it's cold outside, okay, I put this on all the time. I love it. It's not sticky. It's actually moisturizing, and it gives a decent shine. Like, it's not overly shiny. It just gives like a cute little like yes, my lips are moisturized. But as you can see, my lashes are now fanned out. See how quick that was? And normally I wouldn't just stand here and dry my lashes, but I wanted you to see how good they look. They look, once you wet them, they're gonna look like close together because they're wet. It's still small cashmere fibers that are on your lashes, so when they get wet, they're gonna stick. But once they dry and they're oil free and makeup free, they're gonna fluff out and be really pretty. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna go and do my laundry, and you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to get the Lash Tracker so you can lash better and faster in 30 days. There's also a 30-day challenge included. Don't forget to also read the Lash blog. I put a lot of lash tips in there for beginning lash artists, as well as join the email list, my little lash tribe. I send out email tips all the time. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications for future video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.